Does Geico Roadside Assistance cover battery replacement? If you are wondering whether Geico Roadside Assistance covers battery replacement, you are not alone. Many drivers want to know what kind of help they can expect when their vehicle has battery issues. Geico Roadside Assistance does provide support if your car battery is dead, but it does not include battery replacement. Instead, they offer battery jumpstart services. This means that a service provider will come to your location and jumpstart your vehicle to get it running again. However, if your battery needs to be replaced with a new one, you will have to pay for the battery and the installation separately. This is an important detail for anyone considering Geico's roadside assistance as part of their auto insurance policy. In addition to jumpstarts, Geico Roadside Assistance covers several other emergency services. These include towing your vehicle to the nearest repair facility, changing a flat tire using your spare tire, and lockout services, which can help if you accidentally lock your keys inside your car. They also offer winching services if your vehicle is stuck near a public roadway and fuel delivery to help you reach a gas station or your destination. These services are designed to help you get back on the road quickly without upfront out-of-pocket costs for the service itself. However, remember that parts like batteries or tires are not included in the roadside assistance coverage. So, while Geico will send help to jumpstart your dead battery, the cost of a new battery and its installation is not covered under their roadside assistance plan. Understanding this distinction is key for anyone looking to add Geico Roadside Assistance to their auto insurance. It helps you know exactly what to expect when you find yourself in a tough spot on the road.